matsikoina í stýrið. Og hérna eitthvað skilti.
You're past Space World.
Yeah, Space World, yeah. I went there twice.
You're invited, right?
I don't remember. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I think once you were invited as like the foreign people living in Kitaki
Yeah,
or something.
it could be. Yeah,
Too much.
too much.
Cosmo Passage.
Cosmo Passage.
It's like an arcade, the shopping areas.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very sad arcade.